XRP, we start with forward chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And first of all, if you refer to my last analysis when the price was within here, we discussed about the next drop, and exactly this is what we get. That's why I mentioned if you want to look for buy based on higher time frame, for example, if you move to daily chart, I mentioned we prefer to see the next drop, price tag the previous low before we look for the reversal. As what we expected, we get. That's why I mentioned if we see the reversal, we do the price drop to the or tag the previous low, which is this one. Any opportunity for buy will be short term. Anyway, we start with the higher time frame, and you want to see what's the next based on monthly chart. The way it's reversing is very corrective. Okay, and whenever we see this kind of the reversal as a corrective following by next drop, the possibility is very high. But at that point, at this point, we are not looking for price to drop. We're looking for buy, but we have to be aware of this. As long as the price continuation is as a corrective move, what I want to say is that we are expecting to see the continuation as a sharp move, because even if the price continues as a continue as a corrective move, it doesn't give us a really good trade setup, okay? Unless traders they just uh, buy as an investment. Anyway, they don't trade on XRP. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and if we move to lower time frame, weekly chart, uh, the possibility for the price to drop and tag this line is indicative. What I want to show is that the possibility for the price to drop similar to any of this is very high. But as I mentioned, we're looking for continuation, and we are not interested for continuation as a corrective. Mostly, we want to see the continuation as a sharp move. And the first target, based on higher time frame weekly chart, we want to see the breakout of the 94 cent. All right, then we can look for 1.13 following by 1.33 cent. Okay, and based on weekly, we don't have anything else to discuss. Mostly, we're looking for the trade setup based on lower time frame. And if we move to daily chart, this is what we are looking for. That's why since the price was here, I mentioned we prefer the price tag the previous low. Okay. And since the price tag the previous low, then from there we can confirm whether the price is going to reverse or we could going to see the continuation and the drop. Because if the price drop, then we cannot look at this one as a flat. All right. And at this point, to make it very simple, we're looking at this one as a flat. And if we get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we will take it. And based on daily chart, we can look for the 82 cent as a short term. Then we can look for the 94 cent. The breakout of the 94 cent is very important for us. And one thing I need to highlight, it doesn't mean the price tag the previous low, simply we can't take the trade. We have to wait for the reversal, at least as a short move flag or any opportunity for buy as a trade setup, then we can take the trade. Simply, we don't buy the trade. We don't take the trade because of the possibility for the next drop. Okay. We don't need to refer to the indicators at this point. It doesn't give us any information unless maybe this one we can refer to the divergence if the price break, but it's not really important to care about that. To look at the chart, those information at this point. In this case, we move to lower time frame, and if we move to forward chart, the only thing is based on forward chart, if we put this low relative to the previous one, internally we can look for the divergence. But as I mentioned, at this point, we're looking for the reversal since the price almost tagged the previous low, almost near, okay? But if we get any opportunity for buy from now, we'll take it. And based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, having entry above this can be an option, but it's not a really good idea because if the price continue and drop, then the gap will be too much or too high. Then how we can look for trade at this point, either sharp move reversal as a sharp move flag, or we put our entry above here. Having entry above here, what we want to price sharply, reverse tag, break and continue with the price tag. It doesn't move in our direction as a sharp, and we don't keep the trade more than 2 hours. We want to see the reversal as a sharp move. That means we want to price sharp tag, break and continue. Okay. If the price continue to drop as a corrective, then we have to accordingly adjust our entry. But we should know that having entry above this, we should know how to manage it if it doesn't move in our direction. Anyway, at this point, we don't see, we're looking for buy. It depends on the strategy the traders they use. But if you get any opportunity for buy, for me, I will take it. And if there is a reversal there, at least we can look for 82 cents. Then as a first short-term target, then we following by 94 cents. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And I need to highlight that simply we don't take the trade. We have to look for the trade setup. Okay? Because if the I mean if there is no trade setup, we take the trade. We, for example, we buy. How about if the price continue and drop? Okay. And one more thing, if we get any opportunity for buy, as I mentioned, we'll take it. But if it doesn't move in our direction, we shouldn't keep the trade. How? Because of the next reversal as a corrective, flat, next drop before we see this one. Okay. That's why any opportunity for buy, for me, I will take it. But if it doesn't move in my direction or it is reversing as a corrective, at least we should know how to manage it. Again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.